Hello and welcome back to the channel. So today I am again with a new topic in C++, that is multiple inheritance and multi-level inheritance. So let's start the topic and quit the dinosaur game. Alright class, so let us see what the multi-level inheritance is. Okay, so suppose you have a class okay A और ये आपकी क्या है पेरेंट क्लास है ओके PC. अब इस क्लास A को किसी क्लास B ने इनहेरिट किया राइट, तो ये क्या हो गया सिंगल लेवल इनहेरिटेंस ओके. सो हम इसको L1 लिख लेते हैं, लेवल 1. नाउ कोई क्लास C है ओके और वो इस क्लास B को इनहेरिट करती है राइट. सो ये लेवल 2 इनहेरिटेंस हो गया. सो जब एक क्लास दूसरी क्लास को दूसरी क्लास तीसरी क्लास को इस तरह से इनहेरिट करती है ओके, देन वी कॉल इट मल्टी लेवल इनहेरिटेंस राइट. एंड दिस कैन कंटिन्यू ओके. क्लास C को कोई क्लास D inherit कर सकती है okay, and so on. Now let us see this with the help of example okay. Let's write the program for multi-level inheritance okay. So hash include iostream using namespace std. So we have a class grandfather okay, and this class ends here. ये हमारी क्या होगी parent class okay. So we have a method here void strong. So हम लोगों ने बचपन में सुना होगा कि हम लोग के जो दादा थे वो बहुत ही स्ट्रॉन्ग थे, वो नदी पार करके पढ़ने जाया करते थे राइट. सो आवर ग्रैंडफादर is strong okay, and in the last. Now I have another class father okay, and he also has one method smart okay. So see out our father is smart, सभी के होते हैं right. So in the last handle, and this class father is doing public inheritance of the grandfather class okay, like this. So ये क्या हो गया सिंगल लेवल इनहेरिटेंस हो गया okay. So last में semicolon, and now I have another class child okay, or you can say class son okay. This is doing the public inheritance of father class okay, semicolon in the last, and it has a method void funny okay. So see out son is funny okay, and in the last. So now you can see ग्रैंडफादर को फादर ने इनहेरिट किया और सन ने फादर को इनहेरिट किया ओके. सो दिस इज मल्टी लेवल इनहेरिटेंस. अब हम इसको मेन मेथड में इंट मेन सन का हमने ऑब्जेक्ट क्रिएट किया ओके, सन 1. सो सन 1 now can use strong method also okay. So we can say that multi-level inheritance is like passing properties of the upper class to the lower class okay. So son 1 can use strong. Why? Because son is inheriting the father class and father is inheriting the grandfather class. So father can use this strong method, and that's why son can also use okay. Son 1 can also use smart method right, and it can use its own method also, which is funny return 0. So if we run it, so you can see we get the output. So this is what multi-level inheritance do. Multi-level inheritance can use methods, functions and variables of the classes of which it is doing multi-level inheritance okay. Alright guys, so now let us see what multiple inheritance is. So the definition for multiple inheritance is very basic. It says that if a class is derived from more than one parent class, then we have multiple inheritance okay. So let us see with the help of program. So hash include iostream using namespace std okay. So we have included our header files. So we have included our header files, and now we will create a class Superman okay. So class Superman and last में semicolon. So इस क्लास का स्कोप यहाँ तक लाइन नंबर 6 तक ओके, एंड इट हैज़ a method void fly. Okay, see out up in a way. So this is the famous dialogue of Superman. Okay, and so this is one class Superman. Copy this one more class Batman. Okay, and it has function gadgets. Okay, and change cout to I can use gadgets. Alright, so we have two classes here, class Superman and class Batman. Okay, now let us see how we do multiple inheritance. Okay, so we have class Iron Man. Alright, now see how we write the syntax for multiple inheritance. Okay, so we use colon, then we are doing public inheritance of class Superman. Okay, comma, public inheritance of class बैटमैन ओके कर्ली ब्रेस ओपन एंड क्लोज. सो इस तरह से हम लोग मल्टीपल इनहेरिटेंस का सिंटैक्स लिखते हैं. ओके, सो दिस कैन बी प्रोटेक्टेड ऑल्सो और प्राइवेट, एंड दिस कैन ऑल्सो बी प्रोटेक्टेड और प्राइवेट. आपको जैसा भी मल्टीपल इनहेरिटेंस कराना है, ओके, यू कैन यूज इट नाउ. सो आयरन मैन विल हैव दीज मेथड्स फ्लाई एंड गैजेट्स. जब हम आयरन मैन का ऑब्जेक्ट क्रिएट करेंगे, वी कैन यूज these methods. Okay, and Iron Man has its own method also. So public void arc reactor. Okay, say out I have energy resource. Okay, and L in the last. So like this we have done multiple inheritance of two classes, Superman and Batman. Now in your main method we will create the object of Iron Man class. So Iron Man, okay, Iron Man 1, Iron Man 1 dot fly. Okay, we can use it like this, and Iron Man 1 dot gadgets like this. Okay, return 0. So this is the example for multiple inheritance, and if we run it, so we are getting an error on line number 22, right? We have not closed the Iron Man class with semicolon here, so place the semicolon in the last. Again run it. Alright, so we have the output. So using multiple inheritance, we have used it for Iron Man class, and this is how we use multiple inheritance. Now let us see method overriding in the same program. Okay, suppose Superman has another method, public void, okay, hello, cout hello, I am Superman. Okay, so method overriding का concept classes में क्या होता है? During inheritance, same method, suppose here hello, okay, is used in the child class. Okay, child class यहाँ पे Iron Man है. So हम यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे? Same method को use करेंगे और उसमें थोड़ा सा change कर देंगे. Okay, that is called method overriding. So हम क्या करेंगे? Public void hello, okay, cout. हमने यहाँ पे अपनी स्टेटमेंट दी, hello, I am Iron Man. Okay, and then now if I call Iron Man 1 dot hello, so this line will run child class hello method. Okay, it means यहाँ पे method override हो गया. So if we run it, so you can see we have output hello I am Iron Man. यहाँ पे multiple inheritance तो हुआ, but method override हो गया. Okay, so this way you can do the method overriding also. Now in the same program को थोड़ा छोटा करते हैं, remove this. Okay, we have hello method, and we have here remove this gadget method from here and copy paste it in Batman. Okay, and change this to Batman. Alright, so this is a simple program जहाँ पे एक सुपरमैन क्लास है, एक बैटमैन क्लास है. ओके, एक चाइल्ड क्लास है आयरन मैन, जो इन दोनों को मल्टीपल इनहेरिटेंस के थ्रू इनहेरिट कर रही. ओके, इसका खुद का एक मेथड है आर्क रिएक्टर. ओके, देन वी हैव ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ द चाइल्ड क्लास and remove all these from here. Now Iron Man 1 wants to run this hello method. Okay, so let us run it. and see the output क्या आता है हमें. So you can see we have an error. Request for member hello is ambiguous, right? Ambiguous means unclear to the compiler. Okay. So अब compiler को समझ में नहीं आ रहा कौन सा hello method मुझे use करना है, क्योंकि सुपरमैन में भी हेलो है, बैटमैन में भी हेलो है, राइट? और हमने दोनों क्लास को इनहेरिट किया हुआ है यूजिंग मल्टीपल इनहेरिटेंस. सो टू अवॉइड दिस टाइप ऑफ problem, we tell the compiler explicitly, okay, which method it has to run from which class. Okay, so how we do it? See, on line number 24 we use scope resolution operator. Okay, so suppose I want that Batman class hello method should run. So what I will do, I will use Batman colon hello like this. Okay, and click run. So you can see I get the output, right? So by this we can resolve the ambiguous error. Okay, same way I can run for Superman also. Ironman1 dot Superman, okay, colon hello, and if I run it, so I get the output for Superman. Okay, now in the next tutorial we will see what is virtual inheritance and virtual functions. Okay, till then enjoy the coding. Goodbye and thank you.